Y'all be sure and get in there, like and subscribe, man. Parker's out here two-stroking, check him. He's two-stroking. I think he's about to hit this jump in a minute. Go do it again. Nice and easy. There you go. Nice, buddy. 12-year-old. Oh, boy! You almost blew it! You almost blew it! Pull in the clutch. What do you think about that? A little air wheelie. There you go, boys. Check it out. Airport Road. Your local municipal airport. Probably ain't going to be Decatur, Texas, but this is the one I go to. And they got the jet fuel, and then they got the 100 LL. The low lead 100, baby. That's what I get. It's a nice blue Yamaha blue color, which I like, and you know my Yamaha's like. And it doesn't spoil, man. It's not going to gum up your carburetor. I just pull up and park. Park in the fire. You want to park in the fire lane or the handicap? Those are the best parking spots. So get in one of those. Nah, I'm playing, dudes. Park where you're supposed to park. Man, Ford is like the Yamaha of pickup trucks. They're just the best. Ain't no doubt about that. That's real. Man, I've never seen one of these close enough to see an exhaust on it. That's crazy. Get up in there, boys! Y'all been asking for the big red stuff, right? I think that's plenty, dog. That's triple weave. Okay. So guys, we got all the parts here. Look at here now. We got that safety tape. No build is done without duct tape. Not new ones, but all the ones that are missing. Little 88, boys. Not too bad, except for the damn carriers blown to smithereens. So get to work on that pretty soon if it don't sell.
Yeah, dude, it just needs the chain. Here, look.
Oh, I see.
All you do is just, if you fix that chain,
should we good to go?
it'll be good to ride.
Cool.
Good to send, man. I mean, I know that for a fact.
Yeah, that's about the only thing wrong with it, probably.
It's already, yeah, see, it's already twist throttled.
Perfect.
Burned my face off. Almost had to go home.
It happened because there was like old fumes in it from yesterday or something. Oh, you got your mic on there?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see. Let me see. Testing. Testing.
Testing. Here, I'm testing it over here.
Testing.
Testing 1, 2.
1, 2,
Testing,
6,
1, 2.
9. Testing 6,
Testing
9,
1,
6,
2.
9.
Hey,
6, 9.
let's watch that. You
They
should
good?
watch it and see what it sounded like up close and far away.
See this right here?
Right?
Can you see inside there?
Yeah, I can see that.
See the little spark? Blake said he would do it because if it explodes, his mullet would save him. So I just kind of agree with him whenever it's in my favor. The mullet's pretty helpful. Can you even say ammunition on YouTube these days? I don't even think you can say that on YouTube.
Alright.
Alright, hold on. Let us get back now, you sucker.
Oh, what are you talking about? I'm right beside it. I'm holding it. No.
It's just gonna take.
What do you mean? Did y'all not see that?
Yeah, I seen it and heard it. Bro.
Is my hair still here? Just put all the positives together and all the negatives together. It's gonna double spark it, bro. Trust me.
Any pair.
I took bomb
Nah,
bomb class.
nah. Wasn't that? Not that. Not that. It was bong class. Oops.
Look.
Wits. Just in here working. It's a little late. Be sure and like and subscribe. Comment on the video. Tell me what it is you guys want to see. So I know people have been asking about this big red, and I know some people want some more Banshee stuff. So got your video coming tomorrow. You better be ready. This one's just a little extra for you. This one's for you guys subscribing. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.